Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So firstly open the Zoom account and sign in. And after that click on my account. Now in here click on schedule a meeting. Select the topic, give the name for topic and optional give some description for your meeting. Select the date from here and time. What is the duration for that meeting? So select from here. But friends, if you have the basic plan of Zoom, I mean free plan, so you can schedule 40 minutes. So select 0 hour and 30 minutes. Now select the time zone as your country or your meeting place. If you want to this meeting as regular base, so select this one, recurring meetings, and select daily, weekly or monthly. Repeat every 1, 2 or 3 weeks occurs on, so select day and select the date for ending that meeting. Meeting password, so require meeting password. If you need require meeting password, so check this box, and if you don't need for require meeting password, so uncheck. You can set password as your choice. If you are hosting and participating this meeting, so check both box. If you are not hosting, so check this off option, and also if you are not participate, so click on this box. Select your meeting type like telephone, computer, audio or both. Meeting option, enable join before host. Mute participants upon entry. Enable waiting room and record the meetings automatically on the local computer. So there are some these options as your requirement, and after all the modified and customize this meeting, click on save. Now click on add to Google Calendar, and also you can share this meeting URL. So friends, it's meeting ID and it's join URL. So copy this one and invite to your friends. That's it. So friends, it's a very useful platform for free video conferencing call. By this easy and simple method, you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. If you have any questions, so please comment. And if you like this video, so please hit like button, share and subscribe the channel for latest update.